Alam mo to si Kuya Gary, hindi rin conventional yung path niya towards what he achieved eh.
Yes.
Kasi naalala ko yung LPU, hindi pa yan nasa NCAA nung naglalaro siya. Di ba, Coach?
Oo. And he ended up playing the PBA.
Dante Baguio. Always a nice sight for the crowd whenever Dante Baguio hits some shots.
Everything going right here for the Bataan Risers. They're now up by 37 points. Sorry. Pag ano ka no? Talagang wala nagkakamali. Ano yung game na pagpasok nyo, everybody's in sync?
Yeah, that's
May
the
mga
thing.
ganong game eh.
Yeah. But I'm pretty sure if you're the coaching staff of Bataan, you like how they're playing right now.
Yeah, what you're seeing right now, everybody's sharing the ball. They have almost 30 assists already. And that's very high for a basketball team.
At isa rin nilulook forward to nila as we enter the last 2 minutes. Brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL.
Enjoying our time here.
1 minute and 47 seconds left in the fourth. Jeff Santos comes in. But we really like to see Bataan go up against a serious contender.
Yes, oo. Ako gusto ko sila talaga makita kasi na-excite ako sa team nila. I want to see them play yung nasa, alam natin na nandun na talaga, yung mga contender talaga. And let's see how they're going to play. Can they still sustain their unselfish plays? And can they be there up with those contenders?
97-64. Bola na agaw ni Akop. Inside, and just for Bulacan. It's been a really rough game. Never got themselves going, particularly Aaron Akop. Kahit si Benedictus na nagtala ng 20 points in their last game against Batangas City.
Ngayon talagang off din si Benedictus. He was trying, but he was struggling. Another extra pass.
Sumpay salpak ni Dante Baguio. Comes away with a steal, Gary David. Going for 100, yes!
How to end the ball game.
3-point shot to bring Bataan to the center. Bataan continuing their dominant showing here. Came off that victory against Valenzuela in Balanga. Tinalo rin nila yung Iloilo, who had guys like Vic Manuel, Jory Napoles, who exploded for a double-double, Levi Hernandez. So these are teams that...
Actually, okay yung team na yun, ha?
Kasi puro veterano na may mga pangalan yun.
Yun nga, kanina, that's what you were telling me. We want to see this Bataan team play a contender team here in the MPBL. Tapos doon natin sila mag-gauge kung paano sila lalaro.
45 seconds left. Tutoy Ramirez, daming dinaanan, laying it up and in. Bulacan, they won their opening assignment against Parañaque. Lost to Batangas City. And here, just listless against a very inspired Bataan squad. Coach Alan Salansang certainly would siya magiging masaya dito, no? Sa magiging resulta sa kung paano nag-transpire itong laro na ito para sa kanila.
And as a cliche, if you lose this game, back to the drawing board. You have to review this game again, watch your tapes, what happened to us,
Yeah.
panood natin dun sa mga players, and the adjustment.
Is it true or it depends on the coach and the team, no? Na mayroon daw iba na whether it's a blowout loss or a 1-point loss, hindi nagkakaiba eh. What's your take on that, Coach Vic?
What do you mean? Dun sa
Kumbaga, kung tambak o dikit,
dikit?
pareho lang. Minsan may mga ganun eh.
Oo, walang difference yun. Parang ano yun, a win is a win eh. Ganun din pag natalo ka, kesa 1 point yan or blowout. Pero medyo mas masakit kung blowout. Eh.
Bataan will take this win. And the Orion crowd jubilant. And for good reason. 3-0, the One Bataan Risers taking care of business. The One Bataan Risers